Girl, yes. Hello again, you guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm back with another part two of my affordable synthetic wig reviews. And this wig is by Sensationnel, but it is their Dashley line. It is a beautiful long crimped unit. So I'm going to do a little unboxing for you. Yo, this wig is beautiful. So like I said, it is from their Dashley line. And it does have a deep middle part, and it is really nice, deep center part. It is a lace front wig, so it does have lace. Really nice packaging as well. And like I said, it's from Sensationnel, their Dashley line, and I'm really excited about this one. So here's the information card. It is lace unit number 13, so it actually does not have a name. It is lace unit number 13, and then the color 2, deep center part with baby hair. So this wig, oh my God, first impressions, it is beautiful. Here is the lace parting, which is, first thing I noticed, it's really white. I think they were attempting like a transparent lace, but it looks really white. But the parting and the knots look really nice. Like it looks really realistic. It doesn't look like a fake closure. So it has ear-to-ear lace, but the only way you can part it is down the middle. But you can shift the wig if you want a side part. It does come with 3 combs, 2 combs around the parting space and 1 in the back, and it does have adjustable straps, and I just think this wave is so pretty. Now it's kind of dark for a number 2, but it's okay. And it's also a little shiny. You know, just take that into account. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on my head, and as y'all can see, it does have baby hair in the front, and as you can see right here, the lace is really white against my skin tone, so you're going to need a lot of powder foundation or whatever type of foundation that's your skin color to help it match your skin a little better. But the lace is really see-through, so you can actually see my cap right through it, so I would suggest putting some concealer on that as well, just to make it not so white. But I'm doing this review straight out of the box, and as y'all can see, I'm loving this wig. But I wanted to do this wig review straight out of the box so y'all can see exactly what y'all going to get. But do y'all see this though? This unit is pretty long. It's about maybe 26 to 28 inches, but they did a great job on actually styling and crimping this unit. So here's a close-up of the hairline. I would suggest you pluck it if you want to, but that is a little bit of a baby hair. I only saw baby hair concentrated on one side though. But it is a deep lace part, and the parting looks really realistic. So just here's the unit on my mannequin head so y'all can see the length of it and the crimps. It's really well done. So here's a close-up. I'm just going to add a little bit of my Even Wonderlace spray right there where the closure meets my skin, because I don't feel the need of putting it all the way across my head. I do feel like this wig is small head friendly though, because I'm pulling it forward just so it can sit on my forehead. So here I'm just adding a little bit of my powder foundation, and I should have put some on the actual part. I forgot to do that. I was just worried about the front of it. And as y'all can see, I'm only seeing baby hair on one side of the part, which was odd, but I didn't really use baby hair anyway. But yeah, you're definitely going to need some powder around the part. Okay, so I actually did add some concealer, but it was still a little bit bright. I should have went down up to a warmer color, because it's going to look really bright. But that's okay, you know, trial and error. Just adjust it to your skin tone, and you should be fine. But I'm loving how deep the part is though. So I'm just going to shape these baby hairs, and y'all stay tuned for my in-depth review. All right, so thank you so much for staying tuned. So I'm coming to you guys with a unit from Dashley. Now, I have never heard of this unit before, this company. Oh, it's actually by Sensationnel. I had never heard of the line before. So it's by Sensationnel, and it's their Dashley line. And this is the unit called Lace Unit 13 in the color number 2. So it really doesn't have a name, it has a number, and this is Unit 13 from the Dashley line, and the color is number 2. So this wig features a deep center part with baby hair, and it's heat safe between 350 and 400. And yeah, it is a beautiful crimped pattern unit. Like, they did a great job on this unit. So let me get into my first impression. When I took the wig out of the pack, I did think it was just slightly shiny and slightly dark to be a color number 2. But the second thing I noticed, I love the length, and I love, of course, this beautiful crimped pattern. Like, this really looks like a human hair dupe. So the second thing I noticed is the third thing is the lace. The lace was very light, very white. Not really transparent, it's really on the white light side. So you do have to cut most of the lace off, mostly all of it. Get as close to the hairline as possible when you're cutting, and you will have to use some powder, some foundation powder, to help it blend closer with your skin color. And number 2, I really didn't use that much of the baby hair that was actually already on the unit because it was just a little bit too much. So I ended up plucking it off and just using a little bit on the side here, in which I didn't have a lot of time to actually do this unit like I wanted to. So when I'll wear it later, you know, I'll do better at the baby hair. But I didn't want to do too much styling because I wanted you guys to see how it looks straight out of the pack. So this is straight out of the pack. Another thing I noticed when I've actually put it on, it is super flat. Like, it is super flat. Like, right here is super flat. It is so flat. Like, I love it. It's not humpy at all. Now my head has like a natural hump to it. So it's a little humpy right here. So yeah, I have like this natural slant to my head. So if you guys are seeing like it go up, that's just my head, you know. I was born that way, I'm not ashamed. But it is kind of up at an angle. So it can be slightly humpy, but of course it just depends on you and how your head is. So I love how extremely flat the unit is. It's a very nice density. This is all the hair up front, and it's really long. It's like 26 to 28 inches. And here's a close-up of the pattern. And like I said, this is the color number 2. So a color number 1 will be extremely dark. Go ahead and turn around for you guys. It's really long, so I'm sorry if I can't get it all in the shot. But yeah, this is a beautiful unit, and this is not sponsored by Sensationnel. Hopefully they sponsor your girl. Shout out to Sensationnel. Y'all see my video, sponsor your girl. But this is not sponsored. So the link to this unit will be down below. If you visit my Amazon storefront, you will see the list of all my synthetic wigs I've been reviewing. And yeah, go to the synthetic wigs list and you'll be able to purchase all the units that I recommend. Some that I've made videos on, some I have not, some I have not even purchased or tried. But there was trusted brands and you can trust their quality. So let me know down below if you guys are liking this unit, because I am loving her. Now, one more thing before I go, I wouldn't suggest brushing these waves out because I think it will kind of lose, you know, it'll be a little bit puffy, lose the style of the unit. So just try to keep your fingers out of it if you can, and try not to brush it. If you are going to comb it, I suggest, I don't know where my wide tooth comb is, but I suggest combing it with a really wide tooth comb, nothing with small tooth, or a brush like a bristle brush or like a paddle brush, nothing like that. Just try to do it with a wide tooth comb. So yeah, I can definitely see myself rocking her in the summertime because she's thin. It's not like super heavy and she would get like annoying. Like, no, it is really light and comfortable. This cap size is on the smaller side. I will say it's small to medium head friendly. Small to medium head friendly, because I didn't have to adjust the straps at all to make it tight enough for my head, and I do have a small head. But yeah, this is a gorgeous unit and I am absolutely loving it. So if you guys are loving it too, definitely check out my links below and hit that subscribe button. It's red right down there. That'll help grow my channel so much and have more units available to you guys for me to review, to show you guys, my lovely people. So if you want fast shipping on this wig, definitely hit the link below. If you have Amazon Prime, yeah, it's going to get to you in about a day or two. So that's why I love these units on Amazon. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys. I really do appreciate it. And stay tuned for my future videos. Bye, you guys.